Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a domain email in Godaddy. Using a custom email address that matches your domain helps your business look more professional and trustworthy. Let's get started with the process. First, we open the browser. Once the browser is open, we go to google.com. Then, we log into our account. After logging in, we move to the upper right corner. Click the drop-down beside our name and select our name. If there are multiple accounts, we choose the one we want to use. Next, we select the domain where we want to create the email address and click Manage. After clicking Manage, our domain appears on the left side of the screen. In the middle section, under Details, we find the email option. Here, we can create emails for our domain. We click this option. In that section, we can create a new email for our domain. We need to buy a new plan for the domain. After purchasing, we click to create a new email user. Now, we have created a domain email in Godaddy. With the new email set up, we can start communicating with clients using our branded address.